We are about ready to make our refried beans. We got the pan heated up, got the flame on high, and we're going to add a generous amount of Crisco. I'd say it's a generous amount of Crisco. But now with these refried beans, I use them for a side dish. I use them to make tostadas, which is one of my favorite things to eat. Oil is heated up, and now we're just going to pretty much dump all these beans in. We're going to get some splattering. As you expected, when you add water, some hot oil. Now, I have a very nice frying pan to do this in. It's a nice, big, deep pan, so I can usually fry up quite a bit of beans at one time. That's that whole package of small beans, all at once. The heat's on high, like I said, and now you just start mashing. And what you're trying to get it, you're trying to get it to almost a paste-like. You don't want it overly dry. But what's going to happen with the flame on high as the beans get mashed up, the liquid's going to evaporate pretty quickly. And so we want to get our beans mashed up as well as we can. So you can see how it's getting thicker. And again, this doesn't take very long. Once you got the beans all ready to go, it doesn't take very long at all. We're just about there. There's still a little bit of moisture in here that I'm going to try to cook out. And the flame is still on high. Now I guess if you wanted to get fancy with these beans, you could put some jalapenos in it or put some hot sauce in it to liven them up. But then it would no longer be refried beans, it'd be like a bean dip. I'd say we're there. I'd say those are done. That's it. That's how you make refried beans.